Hey guys, so I'm Abhishek, and I have completed the challenge that was given in the turbine builder class. I guess it was from birth. The the challenge was to have a time-based wallet where a user can have a vault which is per user based, and user can deposit USDC or Sol. So yeah, and he should be able to refund, or if he wants to withdraw, he has to wait for a certain time to complete wait for the time to complete the when he initiate the deposit. Okay, so I'll go through the structure of the code and the choices that I make on this program or the challenge. Okay, so basically we will have the initial instruction. Before that, we have to understand the states of our program. So we will have two different state, which first one is the global, which is where the treasury of our program will live. It might be the sole treasury and the USDC mean, because we have to be sure, right? We are getting the USDC mean, or there might be different program. People might use it. So yeah, we are storing the USDC mean and the month and how much fees we gonna charge. In this is in percentage. So yeah, it should be in yeah. So I have added this. This is the global state, and here we have the world state, which is particularly about the world per user. This state will be occur. So let's get started with the initialization. So initialization will be pretty straightforward. We will define owner and some constraint that this is the program level card, which will what it does is that it will make sure that whenever someone might upgrade the uh, try to do some changes in the program, he must be the owner of this program. It's a program level card. Then there is we are initializing, and okay, so we are stating the account that we might be using in this instruction, and and we are stating initializing the global struct uh, with the data we have, and this we are taking fees from the or the percentage of fees we're gonna charge from the user. And so let's move on to the next stage. So basically, you might see we have two different deposit, refund, and withdrawal state. So why is that? Decision that I took because firstly, we have to understand that why I took this decision. Because if I explain it properly, we have to understand the validator, how things gonna work out. If I mix two things in the one, okay. Let's say we will go to the USDC, and let's say if uh, this is the USDC, and if let's say we will have, if we want to make a unified deposit instruction, then what will we have is that we have to mention the sole treasury and the sole we have to mention the sole treasury. I guess yeah, sole treasury. And I guess we will have to mention, I guess yeah, only sole treasury. But the problem with the is that we have to have the sole treasury to be muted. Okay, but if I am not using sole retrieve, why would I be using it as a mute? Because what happens in the validator is that conflicting transaction will be not proceeded with at the same time. So we have to make sure that it would be working, right? If I'm able uh, make some decision on the uh, when I'm writing the code, right? We have to make sure that it would be working as properly. So yeah, that's why I had this decision that okay, why not just make it a different way? Okay, or else I have to just like take Dunam and yeah, if not this that okay, so yeah, yeah, that would be pretty boring. So like why not just do it the simple way? Let's get to the deposit instruction also, which is like same depositor. Beneficiary would be the whose account will be money transfer when the withdrawal happens. On refund, it will go to the depositor, but if the withdrawal happen, it will go to the beneficiary. And this is the vault state and the vault sold region. This is where the vault sold will be, and this is the system program. And this is pretty straightforward. We are initializing it and transferring amount to the vault sold treasury. And this is simple. It's as simple as it. We have some constraints here. Basically saying that amount should be greater than zero and the lock field should be in the present, not okay. So in future, not in the past. And similarly, we will have in the deposit, but here we will have the global config because we have the USDC mint account as same as the global one and the depositor APA because we have to deduct the balance from this account to the vault USDC treasury and some token programs. These are some programs. Yeah. And this is also pretty straightforward. We are just initializing it and the transferring the amount. Yeah. Basically, yeah, this is for the deposit. For the withdrawal, I'll go pretty fast for now because it's we're already into uh week. So yeah, like I'll just deposit vault some we will have vault treasury because we have to deduct the balance and we will have to mute. And okay, so it's a refund because that's why we are not charging the fees from the user. So we are just returning all the money to the depositor accounts. Okay. It's also same for the USDC. Here we will have the USDC bond instead of the soul and depositors where we transfer the money and USDC mint because we have to be make sure, right? We have to do that. We have to make sure that the where we are transferring the token, it it is actually matching with the defined one. And also it also help us to derive the depositors. Next is the withdrawal. Okay, withdrawal is absolutely same as the refund, but we will have this instruction which is transferring feeds to our what we mentioned in the here. And for our USDC, we are deriving it from the global config, or we can say USDC link because we can actually derive it and we will close the account so everything lamp codes will be uh, passed to the depositors. So yeah, that's it. This was the whole project defining. Okay, I'll just run the okay and test it's an already deployed on the okay it might not be a good idea. Okay, so yeah, it might be not good idea. I'll do this cargo test. Yeah, So basically, we I have already defined providers. So yeah, basically it just uh, okay, there is the we have a cluster is developed, so it's not trying to run on this. It's trying to do on devnet. So yeah, basically this is it's from my side. Hope you have the question, please ask me. And if you want, okay, basically, I didn't mention the very important thing. Okay, I'll go ahead because I don't want to recapture this whole video just because I forgot to. Okay, so this is the main concern, which is that Unix timestamp we are using here for me, it was like, okay, so we just have to add this. But the main challenge is in how you are storing the soul and USDC in different accounts. So yeah, this is the actually this looks simple and things like okay it can go bad, but I'll like do a lot of research. But yeah, I know it might sometimes break, but it runs most of the time. It's a, like a rare case. It actually doesn't work. So yeah, that's it from my side. Thank you.